Hello everyone, my name is Alok. I'm father of 2 boys, 9 trees, husband to one of the most beautiful princes of the world. I'm an engineer, an MBA, an entrepreneur, traveler, author, blogger, podcaster, a parenting expert, and a business enthusiast for the last 18 plus years. And I'm here helping 3 kinds of people, right? Number 1, people who do have an expertise and they want to monetize, taking it in the form of a business. Number 2, people who do have a business in an offline mode, they want to take it to the online mode. Number 3, people who do have a business in an offline or an online mode, they are doing pretty well, but they're not able to grow and upscale themselves. So I, Alok, as a business coach, I'm helping creating a specific business strategy for you to upscale and grow. So guys and entrepreneurs, today I'm talking about a very important factor of sales and business, which is creating a trust, right? So people don't buy a product or service. People buy trust first. People buy you first. Because unless and until they do have a trust in you, they are not going to even explore your product and service, right? So this is a very important component which we normally miss. And I normally ask myself and all those business owners just one question. And it's very simple and very critical as well. Why somebody would buy from you? Because every business has competitors, right? Why somebody would be going to you only, right? What is the reason? And what is the reason which will be pulling them to you? So the best answer is, first of all, the trust. Product comes later. Product comes later, believe me, or the services comes later. People first choose you because they want to be confident enough that they are going to do a business with somebody who is trustworthy. First, that trustworthiness is very much important. Then comes the product, the price, the services and all those things. But first of all, the primary parameter of having and doing a deal is the trust. So guys, believe me, you have to work on your trust factor. So being known and adding that known factor with a trust component is going to give you credibility. The more credible you are, the more likely you get sales and you grow in your life. So guys, this is a very simple thing, but this very important reason being, if you don't create trust, however good product or service you have, people will not come to you because that factor is missing, right? Exceptions apart, you believe me and talk to me with relates to any of the brands. If you talk about any bigger brand, maybe Tata, Amazon, Flipkart or 1mg, or you talk any medicine company like Ranbaxy or Abbott or something like that, what we are going to see is, first of all, what kind of a company it is, how credible this company it is, right? So that credibility, tends towards the trust. And that trust is what first of all we buy, and then we go and explore the product and services, and based on our requirement we buy, choose and select a product and buy. So that is what in this particular video. So guys, believe me, this is going to be one of the critical parameters for your business to sustain and grow. So work on the trust factor, create that credibility so that customers come to you because of the trust and the credibility factor, and obviously you have to serve them with a better quality product and a price. That's it. Thank you for now.